President Cyril Ramaphosa has demanded the immediate release of South Africans and international activists reportedly abducted by Israel forces after a humanitarian flotilla bound for Gaza was intercepted in international waters. The flotilla was carrying aid supplies and international human rights campaigners was en route to Gaza when it was stopped by Israel authorities. Among those confirmed on board were Nkosi Zwelivelile Mandela, grandson of former President Nelson Mandela, acclaimed writer Zukiswa Wana, and activist Ras Mullah. The abductions of Tahira Suma, Fatima Hendricks, and Kerry Shelva are still being verified. In a startling pre-recorded video message released by Mandela before the flotilla's interception, he warned that by the time the footage was seen, he would likely have been detained by Israel forces for taking part in what he described as humanitarian mission of solidarity with Gaza. Ramaphosa condemned the interception, calling it a violation of international law and a direct attack on global efforts to ease the humanitarian crisis in Gaza, and said the interception of the flotilla in international waters is contrary to international law and violates the sovereignty of every nation whose flag was flown on the dozens of vessels in the flotilla. This action also violates an International Court of Justice injunction that humanitarian aid must be allowed to flow unimpeded. The president accused Israel of showing ongoing disregard for international law and the suffering of Palestinians, describing the incident as an offense against global solidarity. Ramaphosa urged Israel authorities to immediately release the activists and to allow the flotilla's aid to reach Gaza, stressing that the mission represented solidarity, not confrontation. He also endorsed calls by the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights for Israel to end its blockade of Gaza and to permit the free flow of food, medicine, and other essentials into the besieged territory. And said, "My thoughts are with all of the abductees and their families. It is my expectation that Israel will release the human rights activists, as these abductions serve no purpose in the context of efforts to secure peace in the Middle East." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.